right, we're going to talk about adding integers. And as I'm working problems in this video, pause it and try the problem for yourself. And then unpause the video, play the video, and see if you got the questions correct. Okay? So when you are adding integers, you want to look at the signs that you're adding. If both numbers are positive, you add the numbers and the answer is positive. If both numbers are negative, you add the numbers and the answer is negative. So if it has the same sign, add the numbers and keep the sign. So if we have 4 plus 2, they're both positive. 4 plus 2 is 6. It stays positive. If we have negative 3 plus negative 4, and these parentheses are just so I don't combine these two signs. It's just so I know that this is a negative 4. Same sign, so I add them. 3 plus 4 is 7. They're both negative, so my answer is 7. Negative 10 plus negative 12. My signs are the same, so I add them together. The answer is negative 22. Alright, so what if I had negative 34 plus negative 16? Pause the video and work it out. My signs are the same, so I'm going to add them. 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus 2 is 5. They're both negative, so my answer is negative 50. Alright, so that's the rule for adding numbers with the same sign. When the signs are different, actually I'm going to do this in another color. So when the signs are different, subtract the numbers. Keep the sign of the bigger number, the number with the highest absolute value. Do AV for absolute value. So if I have 3 plus negative 4, 3 is positive, 4 is negative, so I'm subtracting. Subtract the big number 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 is the bigger number, it's negative, so my answer is negative. If I have negative 15 plus 5, my signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 is the bigger number and it's negative, so my answer is negative. If I have 50 plus negative 25, my signs are different, so I subtract. 50 minus 25 is 25. 50 is the bigger number, so my answer is positive 25. Try negative 48 plus 32. My signs are different, so I'm subtracting. When you're doing this, always make sure that you take the number with the bigger absolute value. That's the number that goes on top. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 48 is the bigger number and it's negative. So my answer is negative 16. 36 plus negative 72. My signs are different, so I'm subtracting. Take the bigger number, 72, and subtract 36. I have to borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 72 is the bigger number and it's negative. So my answer is negative 36. Try these problems. $50 plus 32, 60 plus negative 20, negative 18 plus negative 32, negative 36 plus 14, negative 40 plus negative 50, and 38 plus 10. Alright, pause the video and work those out. Number 1, both numbers are positive, so my signs are the same, so I add them together. 50 plus 32 is 82, and the answer is positive. Number 2, my signs are different, so I'm subtracting. Take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number. 60 is the bigger number and it's positive, so my answer is positive. Number 3, my signs are the same, so I'm adding them. 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 2 is 5. Both numbers are negative, so my answer is negative. For number 4, my signs are different. I have a negative 36 and a positive 14. Take the bigger number, 36, subtract the smaller number. 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. 36 is the bigger number and it's negative, so my answer is negative. Number 5, the signs are the same, so I'm adding. 50 plus 40 is 90. Both numbers are negative, so my answer is negative. And number 6, 38 plus 10. Both numbers are positive, so I'm adding. And my numbers are positive, so my answer is positive.